Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through setting up your Alexa Echo first generation. Whether you're new to the Echo family or need a quick refresher, we've got everything you need. Stick around, and let's get started on this setup journey. Next, connect your Echo to a power outlet using the provided adapter. You'll see the light ring on top turn blue, then orange. This sequence indicates that your Echo is now in setup mode and ready for the next steps. While your Echo is powering up, download the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Alexa. Once you find it, tap Download and install the app. Launch the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set it up, ensuring you have access to all Alexa's features. After signing in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the icon in the top right corner and select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo and then Echo. Follow the prompts to connect your Echo to your Wi-Fi network. The app will ask you to connect your Echo to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, the light ring on your Echo will turn blue, indicating it's ready for use. Now, the app will guide you through the remaining setup steps, such as linking your Echo to music services and other smart devices in your home. You can also personalize your Echo by setting up your voice profile and preferences. Finally, let's test your Echo to make sure everything is working properly. Simply say, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" or any other basic command. Your Echo should respond accordingly. If it does, congratulations! Your Echo is now set up and ready to use. If you